They say visuals can expedite learning and express meaning in ways that might be difficult or impossible to convey otherwise. In PowerPoint, you can also add some visuals to your presentation and add movement from a variety of options that may be applied to images, text boxes, and objects. In order to do that, launch first Microsoft PowerPoint and find the picture you want to animate by clicking on the Insert tab, then select Pictures. Click and drag the handles at the corners of the image to resize it as necessary, and place the picture around the slide where you want. What we have here is a sample garden, and since it doesn't match the background color, you can change it by going to the Design tab, then select Format Background. In this case, we would choose solid color and match the color of the picture. And to move this still background picture, click the Animations tab in the ribbon, and then select any animation you would like, or select More to view more options. For this picture, we would choose this animation. And since it looks a little plain, we would add some objects to it. I have here on the other slide some clouds and the sun. In order to move this object to the main slide, you have to select the object and then right-click, then choose Cut, and then paste it onto the main slide. To add the movement to the clouds and the sun, go to the Animations tab, click the object, and then choose one of the animation options. The green effects animate the entrance of the picture onto the slide, the yellow effects emphasize the picture, the red effects remove the picture from the slide, and the line effects are motion paths that will move the picture around the slide. And when you click an animation, this will be applied to the picture or the object. And you can also change the effect options, the speed, and the delay of the animation. Just make sure that the Start option in the timing group is at with previews, so it would start automatically. Then try to run your presentation into a slideshow and check whether the animations run smoothly. And that's how you can add motion to still background pictures in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.